Good evening everyone, it's Titari here. Today I'm really excited to share with you guys. I have my garden planner update for you. This is first year I use garden planner, so I just print it out from this website. It's called natasha.com. So if you guys interested, can go check it out. It's free, guys. So this planner is have sticker, so you can print in a sticker sheet and then use with your planner. So it is another sticker, and it is a first page calendar, so I use them a little bit. This one here is my garden, so I'm just gonna flip to the months so you guys can see what inside here. It is about monthly calendar, and it comes with nursery and supply, and we have my garden with grid and seed, root, and the bud inventory, and here garden shopping list, and you have plants overview, seasonal garden explains, and top tracker, garden notes, and you can design garden layout as well. And here I like this one, monthly garden planner. Whatever you wish to do, to have budget, expenses better to buy, priority, sow, plant, feed, prepare, prune, and note. This is monthly layout. So another layout as well. And I like our monthly plant tracker. It's have a lot of things to tracking here. So we have start indoor target date all along here, date to watering, and it is a monthly show tracker, and I will skip to. So if you have a plant pet disease and issue log, it have a scale bug issue, and you have weekly to do list as well. Watering tracker. So it is next is the last now is a plant profile. So I'll show you example like I doing here. This is my fingernail red, so I put no detail down here, so if I have an issue I can come to check it out. And it is my garden planner guide. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys another time. And before I forgot, I did found this in a chat. It's an old book. It's about pet problem and garden plant disease. Very useful. I just show you guys a couple. It's like what bug you have issue with and how to treat them. It's something like this. It's very nice. Lucky, it's like treasure for me. And I have some like something to help my plants, like water. It's just like to help them grow faster. This one is called HB 101. So what you do with them, it's like here. So how to use it. I do have my monstera, so I want them to go bigger quick. That's why I have this one. It's quite expensive, but we'll see how it goes. And I do have like collect label differently. This is the red center lime, and this is a lady finger banana, and this is one Kanawan banana, and this pineapple guava, and this one Irish strawberry. Before I start my garden, I used Skinny Happy Planner to correct my tree label. I do have worm farm down here, so if I have any issue, I just come to check on the detail. This the way I'm using it, but I will redo this as well, so to make me a little bit easy for me to check all my plants rather than keep different and then couldn't find it. So, and that's it guys for my garden planner. I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye for now. Good evening everyone, it's Titari here. Today I would like to update my garden in the summertime. I have my lemongrass over there and 3 baskets of strawberry tree, and I have papaya tree here, and this is avocado that I grow from the seed. Next to it is Irish strawberry, and next tree is pineapple guava, and this one is the red center lime, little tiny one here, very rare to find them. And back then I have purple Brazil, and that's the Thai herb, and little greenhouse here. In the greenhouse I have green eggplant. It's now green finger lime. They cannot handle with the sun here about 36 degrees, so I brought it back to stay in a greenhouse. So I still have green leaf here. I hope they're still alive. And this is the random herb I'm growing. That is garlic. This is the kangkong. I propagate it myself. Okay. And this is parsley. And that one is the lemon basil. And there's the common mint. This little tree here, and this one is called lady finger banana, and this one banana is, I forgot the name of this, but it's a different kind of banana. And this is chili, chili topia. They're very spicy. I'm too short to get in, but back then will be a little bit Brazil and Longan. That is. This tree is a bamboo. It's like I thought it would be lucky tree, so I'll keep them here. And that is the money tree, coffin lab tree, and that's one is this one is the Longan, very tall, kind of fire. And this is my blueberry. This is a Thai tree, forget the name of it. I bird Thai chili. I plant on the ground, it's grow very good. This one is Kangkong. So I live in outside to get full sun. This tomato. I have full tomato here, and capsicum. I hope you guys can see. And over there is another strawberry, purple Thai eggplant. I have three of them. So, and then raspberry and curry tree. this one here. Did my first cucumber. Here they are. Still small one, but getting there. So have little clam up tree here, but I'm not succeed with salad yet. I will try another time. And this is my chili plants. I have 3 of them, and this is green Thai eggplant. It's very hard to grow them. It take me about 2 months, but my husband growing it for me. So this is the first succeed of our garden. So back here I have what is called, I forget, sorry, it's buttercup. It's cherry. It's small fruit. I'm waiting. They all fruit here, but still waiting for them to get right. Little flower here. This is the bay leaf I have. This is apple tree and pear. This is my gawa, big tea gawa. So nearly there. And pomegranate. This is mandarin tree, and my lime tree is getting fruit now, still not big enough. One here, and behind this is it is gawa as well. And this is the fingerlime. All of them is a red color. And this one a buttercup fingerlime. This fruit on winter, but I have one down here, so I'll check them when it dry. I gonna trade this out. So I have 3 big pot here. It's fingerlime, and this one is called pink fingerlime. And that's it, guys, for my summer garden that I have this year. So I have my garden planner as well, so I will flip to you guys. Bye.